looking at the best of me honeymoon. You're the water, I'm Mars, calling up Neptune's daughter. Sometimes rain that's needed falls. We float like two lovers in a painting by Chagall, all around this sky and blue town, holding these flowers for a wedding gown. We live so high above the ground, satellites surround us. I am humbled in the city. There seems to be an endless sea of people like us, wakeful dreamers. I pass them on the sunlit streets in our rooms, filled with laughter. We make hope from every small